You are all good and doing well. Children, welcome back to our science class. This is Miss Yegoti Renuka. I am your science teacher. Okay children. Children, do you watch the videos at your home? Very good children. Don't waste your time children. Watch the videos and understood the topic. Okay. And as early as possible you take the textbooks. Because after watching the video you must need to read a textbook children. So as early as possible you take the textbooks. Okay children? Children, today I have come up with one more science topic, that is nesting habits of birds. What is that children? Nesting habits of birds. Okay? In the previous class, anybody remember children what we learnt about in the previous class? Yes, very good children. We learnt about birds and different types of birds flights. Some birds fly very low, some birds fly very high. Next, kinds of beaks and different types of claws. These are all we learnt in the previous video. Today, we discuss about nesting habits of birds. Okay children, let us enter into our topic. First of all, can I ask a question children? Are you ready to tell? Oh, very good. You are very good children. Children, what is our shelter? Anybody? Yes, home. Home is our shelter. We build a house to live in. Home is our shelter. All living beings need a shelter to live in. All living beings need a shelter to live in. Not only human beings, birds, animals, all living beings need a shelter to live in. Birds are the only animals that can make their own homes. Birds are the only animals that can make their own house. Okay children? Birds are the only animals that can make their own homes. The home of the bird is called nest. The home of the bird is called nest. Once did you observe? The home of the bird is called nest. The place where the birds with its young ones is called a nest. The place where the birds with its young ones is called a nest. Okay children? During the breeding season, the birds are very busy. Breeding season means? Yes. పిల్లలు బర్డ్స్ అనేవి పిల్లల్ని కనే సమయంలో చాలా బిజీగా ఉంటాయి. During the breeding season, the birds are very busy. They collect some material to build a nest. For example, you take the human beings, we build a house by using the cement, bricks, stones, water and some other material. These are the material we use to build our homes. Like that, birds also using some material, they build their nests. Did you get the point? What are the materials the birds used to build a nest? Very good. Twigs, leaves, old cloths, papers, wool, straw, grass. These are all the some of the material the birds used to make a nest. Okay children, once again, twigs. Twigs means చిన్న కర్రపుల్లలు ఉంటాయి కదా వాటిని twigs అంటారు. Twigs, grass, you know that grass. Next one, leaves, old cloths, paper pieces. Next one, wool. These are all the material used by the birds to make the nest. Okay children, and the birds search suitable places to make a nest. They search for the suitable places. What are the places they search for? Build a nest. The places are nothing but on the trees, ventilators, in the old buildings and broken walls. These are all the places the birds choosing to make a nest. Okay children? Once again I repeat, nest is nothing but a home of a bird. The place where the bird with its young ones is called a nest. The birds get very busy during the breeding season. In the February and March, they are very busy to collect the material to build a nest. Yes, they fly again and again, then collect the material and build a nest for their young ones. Like as human beings, birds also use some material to make a nest. Okay children? And different types of birds have different types of nests. Some birds build some type of nests and some birds build different types of nests. For example, you see the human beings, all the houses are not equal. Yes, some houses are difficult designs. Like that, birds also build their nests in different types. For example, here, first of all, we take the sparrow and pigeon. What is this children? Yes, sparrow and pigeon. The nest of the sparrow and pigeon is like a deep cup. Deep cup means లోతైన కప్పులా ఉంటుంది. The nest of a sparrow and pigeon is built with grass, straw and leaves. Okay, the nest of the sparrow and pigeon is made with grass, straw. Straw means yes, chinna gaddi, and straw, leaves and grass. And the sparrow and pigeon nest is untidy. Untidy means not neat, not clean. The nest of the sparrow and pigeon is not clean, but like a deep cup shape, like this, like a deep cup shape, because to lay eggs and hatch them. Okay, for their young ones, sparrow and pigeon built a nest. And you know that sparrow and pigeon are very friendly to human beings. Sparrow and pigeon are very friendly to human beings. So, the nests of the sparrow and pigeon are near to the dwellings of the human beings. So, what is the meaning of dwellings, children? Dwellings are nothing but shelters. Okay? They are very friendly to human beings. So, their nests are also near to the shelters of the human beings. Okay? Next one, Tailor bird. What is this children? Tailor bird. The tailor bird makes its nest with 2 or 3 leaves. What is the children? 2 or 3 leaves. The tailor bird makes its nest by using 2 or 3 leaves. The beak of the tailor bird is very sharp and hard. In the previous class we learnt about the beaks. Okay? Here the beak of the tailor bird is very sharp and hard. By using its sharp beak, the tailor bird stitches the 2 or 3 leaves. Okay? Then the tailor bird makes its nest. As it shows, it is called a tailor bird. Yes or no children? The tailor bird stitches its nest. That's why the bird is called a tailor bird. Okay, by using 2 or 3 leaves, it makes its nest. Next one, weaver bird. What is this children? Yes, weaver bird. The weaver bird weaves its nest. Weaving means, yes, very good, alladam. The weaver bird weaving its nest by using the grass and small pieces of leaves. By using grass and small pieces of leaves. The weaver bird weaves its nest, and the nest of the weaver bird is hangs down from the branch of a tree. It hangs down from the branch of a tree. It looks very beautiful children. It's very attractive piece. And the nest of a weaver bird is hangs down from the branch of a tree, and at the bottom there is a small opening. At the bottom there is a small opening. It looks like very beautiful and very attractive. Okay? The nest of the weaver bird. Next one, what is that? Woodpecker. The nest of a woodpecker is, the woodpecker makes its nest in the tree trunks. In the tree trunks. The woodpecker has a hard and sharp beak. By using its beak, the woodpecker makes a hole on the tree trunk and uses it as a nest of the woodpecker. Okay children? Next one, bulbul. What is this children? Bulbul. The bird name is bulbul. Once you observe the spelling also. The bulbul makes its nest. The bulbul makes its nest with grass, small leaves, and by using old cloths, papers also. Near the bushes. Okay. The bulbul makes its nest in the bushes. And The bulbul nest is like a deep cup shape, and in this I told you that one bird nest is also like a deep cup. Which birds? Yes, very good. Sparrow and pigeon nest is also like a deep cup shape. Here bulbul bird nest is also a deep cup shape. Okay. Here the bulbul lays its eggs and hatches them. The nest is like a deep cup shape. Next one, partridges and fowls. What is this, children? Partridges and fowls. These are the one type of birds. Partridges and fowls. Once you observe the spelling, children, P-A-T-R-I-D-G-E-S. Partridges and fowls. These are also a birds. Their nest is in the ground. They make nest in the ground. By using their beaks, they dig the ground and make a hole in the ground and use it as a nest of these birds. Okay. Next one, vulture. You know the children, vulture is a scavenger. It's a wild bird because vulture eats the flesh of other animals. The vulture also makes nest. Vulture makes its nest with long trees with a long sticks. Okay. Vulture makes its nest on the long trees and by using long sticks. And the shape of the vulture nest is shallow cup. Once you observe the spelling, children, S-H-A-L-L-O-W, shallow. Shallow means low to lean like this. Okay, not a deep cup. It's a shallow cup. అందులో ఎటువంటి లోతు ఉండదు. Okay, the vulture makes its nest by using the long sticks, and its nest is like a shallow cup. Okay. Next one, parrot. Parrot makes its nest by in the tree holes. Some tree trunks have a large holes. Parrot used that holes as a nest. Okay, children. Parrot used that holes as a nest and lives in that hole. Next one, owls. What is that, children? Owls. What is the spelling of owl? O-W-L-S. Owls. Owls make its nest in the tree trunks or in the old buildings. Okay, owls make its nest in the tree trunks or in the old buildings. Next one, cuckoo. What is this, children? C-U-C-K-O-O. Cuckoo. It's a bird and the bird is very lazy and clever bird. The cuckoo bird is a lazy bird and clever bird. The cuckoo bird is very lazy, so it does not build its own nest. Okay, it lay eggs in the crow's nest. Okay, children, cuckoo bird lays eggs in the crow's nest, and the crow hatches the cuckoo's eggs. So the cuckoo birds are also as like a crow's bird. Okay, as like a crows. Cuckoo is very lazy as that the cuckoo bird does not build their own nest. It lay eggs on the crow's nest and crows hatches the cuckoo's eggs. So the cuckoo's young ones are also look like a crows. Okay, children, did you get the point? Very good. Next one, penguins. You know that penguins looking like very beautiful penguins. P-E-N-G-U-I-N-S. Penguins. Penguins make a nest, but they do not work hard to make a nest. They use stones and pebbles and makes its nest. The penguins use stones and some pebbles to make its nest. They use stones and some pebbles. Pebbles means yes, golakaraline pebbles antaru. Penguin uses stones and pebbles to make its nest on the ground. The penguin do not work hard to make its nest. Okay, children, the penguin do not work hard to make its nest. Did you understand, children? These are the different types of birds and different types of nests they make. Okay. Sparrow and pigeon, deep cup-shaped nest. Tailor bird, by using 2 or 3 leaves, it makes its nest. And weaver bird weaves its nest, and it is very beautiful and attractive piece. Next one, woodpecker makes its nest in the tree trunk. And bulbul also like a deep cup-shaped nest. Partridges and fowls make a nest in the ground. Vulture have a nest like a shallow cup. Next one, parrot. Parrot lives in the holes of a tree trunk. Next one, owls. Owls are lives in the holes of a tree trunk and in the old buildings also. Next one, cuckoo. Cuckoo is a very lazy bird. Remember that, children. Cuckoo is very lazy bird. Which bird is very lazy? Cuckoo bird. So it does not make its nest. It lays eggs in the crow's nest. Okay. Next one, penguins do not work hard to make a nest. They use some stones and pebbles to make its nest. Okay, children, these are the different types of nests. In your textbook, there are so many diagrams, children. As early as possible, you take the textbooks, then you see. Okay, and next one, care of young ones. Care of young ones. How the birds care about the young ones. Young ones are nothing but babies. Okay. How the birds care of young ones. First of all, as a mother bird, at the time of breeding, the mother bird lays eggs. After that, both parent birds, mother bird and father bird, sit on the eggs to get warm. After some time, after some days, the eggs are hatched and small young ones are come out. Young ones are nothing but small babies. Looking very cute babies are come out. Okay, first of all, the mother bird lays eggs on the nest. The parent birds, both father bird and mother bird, sits on the eggs to warm. After some days, the eggs hatch. Okay, the eggs hatch. The small young ones are come out. Okay, children, small young ones are come out. And the young ones are featherless and their eyes are closed like this. Okay, the young ones' eyes are closed and they are featherless. They do not fly and they do not get any food. So the parent birds helps the young birds to feed, and if you take a food, the parent birds, the food is very simpler form, softer form, and gives to the baby bird. And everything protects the parent birds about young birds. Okay, children, everything protects the everything about young ones. The parent birds cares everything about the young ones. Okay, children, and the parent birds learn how to feed and how to fly, how to get food. These are all the parents bird teach the young ones. And the parent birds make the food into small pieces, then feed to the young ones. How cute, children. Okay. And after the breeding season, the young ones are leave the nest. The birds are also leave the nest. Then in the next season, they build the new nests. In the next season, they do not use the same nest. They leave the nests. In the next season, they make their another nest to lay eggs. Okay, children, did you understand here? Here, the parent birds how care about the young ones. చూసారా, ఆ పేరెంట్ బర్డ్స్ అనేవి బేబీ బర్డ్ కోసం ఎంత కేర్ తీసుకుంటున్నాయో. ఈ ప్రపంచంలో మన తల్లిదండ్రులకు మించిన దైవం అంటూ ఏమీ ఉండదు. సో రెస్పెక్ట్ యువర్ పేరెంట్స్, సర్వ్ యువర్ పేరెంట్స్, హెల్ప్ యువర్ పేరెంట్స్, అబవ్ ఆల్ వర్షిప్ యువర్ పేరెంట్స్. ఓకే, మీ తల్లిదండ్రులకు సహాయం చేయండి, సేవ చేయండి, మరియు వాళ్ళు చెప్పిన మాట వినండి, వాళ్ళని గౌరవించండి. ఓకే, and our mother is our first teacher. Don't forget that, children. Okay, once we revise what we learnt in this topic. First of all, what is a nest and different types of birds and their nests, how they build their nests. Next one, care of young ones, how the parent birds are care about their young ones. Okay, remember this point. The birds do not use the same nest in the next season. They leave the nest and in the next season they build another nest to lay eggs and hatch them. Okay children, in the next video I explain the lesson reading and textbook exercises. Okay, I hope you would have understood the topic. Thank you for watching the video.